This video demonstrates how to set up and use the alarm feature on an EDXtreme Dynamometer with Communicator 2 to alert an operator when a condition is met. The alarm feature is available on Communicator 2s with part number AWT05-509199. In this video, we are setting the alarm to Enabled, which is the most common. With the communicator on, press the right arrow key. Then, press the key below the word Setup. Press the right arrow key to display Set Points. Then press the key below Set Points. Press the Set Point 1 soft key. Press the up arrow to display Enabled, and then press Enter. Use the numeric keypad to key in the activate value. This is the minimum value necessary to trigger the alarm. Press the Enter soft key when the value is correct. Use the numeric keypad to key in the deactivate value. Once the activate condition has been met, if the amount of force is lower than this value, the alarm will stop sounding. You can also set this value equal to the activate value. Press the Enter soft key. Press the Escape key multiple times until prompted to save changes. Press the Yes soft key to save your changes. As force or weight is applied to the dynamometer, the communicator displays the value shown. Once the value meets or exceeds the activate value, the alarm will sound on the communicator. After meeting the activate value, if the force or weight drops below the deactivate value, the alarm will stop sounding. This concludes the video on how to set up and use the alarm feature in Enabled mode on the Dillon EDXtreme Dynamometer. Thank you.